What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So let's solve in is 258 added digits. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So all these problems in number 38, and you need to change it to 2. The reason is that 3 plus 1 is 11, and 11 plus 11 is 2. So you keep doing this stupid thing until there's only 1 digit. Okay, so the problem is that can you solve it all one time? And so first idea is that you just keep using the recursion formula and keep doing, right? So 3, 8, 11, 11, 2. Okay, so this problem is a number theory problem, right? So hope you guys remember in your high school. Let's say our number n is a1, a2, up to an, right? So what is the result? So after the first step, you will return what? You will get a1 plus a2 up to an, right? And give you something, right? And you keep maybe keep you something, and then you keep doing, right, until the results that so they say this is n prime double prime, and then the final results will give you only one number a. Okay, so let's see what the hell is going on, right? So one can write this n is okay, so maybe let's write this n is a1 times 10 to the minus 1, right? So right, so a2 plus 10 to the minus 2 up to an. Okay, so you start from a1 10 to the minus 1 plus a2 10 to the minus 2 up to an, and then you map to what? You map to a1 plus an, right? So what is this map? What is this map? Okay, so let's see. So you can just you can just mod 9, right? So you can just mod 9. Okay, so you can just mod 9. So the a1, right? The reason is that the 10 to the n minus 1 always 1 mod 9. Reason is that you can write this as a 1 plus 9, 9, and 9. There should be n minus 2, and you keep doing. Right, so you can see that each loop just mod 9, right? So if you go here, you mod 9, and you go here, you mod 9, right? So your final result will be mod 9. Okay, so the final answer will be mod 9. Okay, so let's see why is it true, right? So let's say, right, so you can add 11, right? So you can see if I just mod 9, then I get 38 mod 9, I guess 36 plus 2, right? So this is 9 times 4, so answer is 2, right? So the final is 2. Okay, so the answer is very simple. So just do the return mod 9. Whew. Oh, okay. So right. So the problem is that if it's 9, right, then you need to, if it's 9, you need to do a little bit, right? You need to change it, right? So it's simple. Let's see. Right. So let's see, the number is 0, right? So let's see. Okay. So if num 0, then you just return 0. What else? Let's see. Let's see. So if number is 0, then you return 0, right? And if it's in our case, then your answer will not be 0, right? Until, so that means what? That means if the result is mod 9, so let's see, right? So if let's say if is a 0, you return 0, else you return the results. Okay, so if it's 0, then you return 9. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Okay, nice. Okay, so see you guys next videos.